And now here's the bar chords for F and C minor. F, bar chord, first fret, and then we're making an E chord with these 3 fingers on those frets that you can see there. For the C minor chord, we're going to move up 2 frets and move the fingers down 1 string to make it like an A minor with those fingers. So F and C minor. Here we go. Whāia, whāia, whāia te iti kahurangi, ki te tū o hukwe, me he maunga te te. Now with some rhythm. 2, 3, 4. Strive on and on to the heights. Stumble only to a mighty mountain. Stumble only to a mighty mountain. Whāia. So the rhythm on this hand was down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Something you've done before, no doubt. So there's some level 3 things for whāia on guitar.